Hey ladies, we're back here at Talerna's Productions. Sorry about the wait for the videos, just my computer's been a little bit sassy lately. Well, getting on to the video type, it's not just me the whole time, trust me, because that'd be awesome, but not today, folks. Well, anyways, I've been searching, what's that faceless guy? Tech, yeah, that guy. He's pretty cool and all. Well, I got inspired by one of his videos. So now, I'm going to make one of my own. And it's going to be called Poop in a Blender. Today, for our awesome video, is our Vanna White. Well, for the Poop in the Blender part. Okay. First, we're going to take some ice cubes. Next, put them in. Next, we have a half-eaten granola bar. Yummy. And up next, we have some disformed peanuts in the shell. They're very salty. And, for here, now we have something special. Some about 6 months expired raisins that are harder than, like, I don't even know, because there's nothing as hard as these. We got 3 more turds. Okay, now we have some raw butter. That'll be... Don't forget the butter! Puts hair on your chest. Now, we have some cherry juice. Yummy. That'll probably be the best part. Put some red texture into it. Oh yeah. Next, we have some hot chili peppers. 2 of them. Work those abs, honey. Oh, got him. Sorry, I mistaked it for 1. Don't read the script. Yeah, do 2 then. Yeah, that's very cool. Okay, next on the list, we got some A1 steak sauce. Pretty good, yeah. Take a couple drops. By the way, ladies and gentlemen. Can't really open this. I got it. There you go. Next is some real lemon juice. We'll take a big squeeze of that, and then we got some lime. My first pour of the day. Yay. Set this down for 1 second. There goes the lemon. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on 1 second, folks. Yeah, forget to take the cap off, you dumb nut. Oh, sorry. My bad. Alright. Okay, so here we go. Some lemon juice in there. Oh boy. There goes the lemon. Yum. Don't forget the lime juice. Oh yeah! Last but not least, the water. Yay! Water. Did you hear that, folks? Water mixed with all that. Oh! Having some difficulties. Warm or cold, honey? Let's go warm. No, I say medium. Medium, whatever. And there's the water! Okay, that's good. Tyler? No. Awareness? No. Okay. Okay, this officially looks like crap. There's your title, folks. Crap in the blender. I'd say it has a pretty good name for it. Now we insert the cap. Wait, I don't think we're supposed to have water in it, because then it can't grind all that crap. Well, too bad. Let's see if this works. Here we go. Okay, now we'll go to grind. Oh, yeah! 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 Tasty. And just one little more smoothie. Smoothie! There's our smoothie. Wait, next, we're gonna drink some of it. And here is a special broadcasting commercial. He was born in the South. This is a man named Push-Up Man. Do you want to be like him? Use some steroid milk. Now selling at stores worldwide. It's really good. Yeah. Steroid milk. Perfect. So here's the first whiff of poop in a blender. So how was it? No. Only one word to describe it. No, 3. Poop in a blender? Holy crap! God. Okay, so now, what you've all been waiting for. The final little part of our segment show here. And here it goes. And there's him trying to dry the puke off of his shirt. Is a finished creation we got going here. Notice the foaming bubbles on top? Show me. Adds extra texture. Here we go. It should some flapping noises. Okay. Second cup. Ooh, all the foam in there. Okay, ladies, Vanna White's gonna film me taking a drink. I don't think I'm gonna want to, but I'm doing it, okay? For YouTube. Here goes to learn it.